kapuso, kung muhisgot kita world-class talent, dili magpauwahi ang ato mga bisita karong buntaga tungod sa ilahang talento sa pagsayaw. Gikan sa General Santos City, let us all welcome RMMC's Teatro Ambahanon. Kauban ang curator o founder nga si Sir Leonardo Carino. Hello sir and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Hello, mayong buntag sa mga kapuso.
Una sa tanan, Sir Bing, unsa ba ning Teatro Ambahanon? Ug paunsa kini nagsugod?
Well, we started as a musical theater, kaya we have very strong roots sa theater. No? We used to be a musical theater company. Tawag sa amin dati is Dulaang RMMC because we are from RMMC. Tapos, later on, we decided na, we found out na mas magandang, mas artistic yung name, no? So, Ambahanon is actually songs, or Ambahan is song in Visayan language. So, since we are musical theater, sabi namin pwedeng literal translation nun, so it's translated into Teatro Ambahanon or Theater of Songs. Well, ang Teatro Ambahanon is dance drama company, school-based. We are based in a college in General Santos City, Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Colleges. We are the only contemporary dance company in Mindanao. I think meron, pero we are the only, meron pang iba, pero we are the only group that is solely working in contemporary dance.
Mga kapuso, ang ballet dance mao ang usa sa mga lisod nga genre sa sayaw nga ma-master. Ug kini ang usasab sa ginatudlo ni Sir Bing sa kabataan. Sir Bing, can you share this with us and what makes ballet different from other types of dances?
Actually, dalawa siya. Number one, madali siya kasi it's contemporary. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa na-set ang rules, hindi pa na canonize ang, hindi pa na standardized, no, even the teaching of the technique. So, unlike classical ballet and siguro folk dance na mas rigorous ang definition, contemporary dance is actually open to interpretation. And our brand of contemporary is nasa hip-hop at saka dance theater. So, para sa akin, it's not really difficult because we are trying to find new style, no? Kasi kailangan pag dance troupe ka, you will have your own brand. No? Kasi ang art, napakaliit na community, tapos magsiksikan pa kayo sa the same product. So I think in Gensan or in Southern Philippines, for that matter, contemporary dance, napakakunti ng practitioner. No? Mabilang lang sa kamay ang mga grupo na ang artistic direction is towards contemporary dance.
Isa sa mga achievements sa RMMC's Teatro Ambahanon mao ang pag-perform sa Cultural Center of the Philippines. Pwede ba nimo ma-share ang story about this, Sir Bing?
Maaga kami, mabilis. Siguro in the absence of other contemporary groups, madali kami napansin. No? So mga 2004, 2006, nakapag-ano na kami, Cultural Center of the Philippines. In this part of the country, parang it's not a big deal, no? Pero ako, I came from a group from Manila. Nakita ko talaga na when you are invited sa center, I consider it the Temple of the Arts in the Philippines. It's really an honor na masali ka. Sali ka sa kanilang, sa mga curators ng kanilang mga show. So, since 2006, we have been performing at the Cultural Center. Ang pinaka-notable nun in 2019 when we were presented as a solo group, hindi yung kasama namin maraming grupo. Nakapag-show kami doon as Teatro Ambahanon lang sa CCP. Then CCP din ang nagdala sa amin sa China ASEAN Theater Week sa Nanning, China, na where we won some awards.
Usa karon sa inyong ginakabisihan kining LQI o Last Quarter Intensive. Unsa ba ning LQI, Sir Bing?
Ang LQI is last quarter intensives, no? It used to be a training time kasi ang mga dancers ko nakakapag-train lang summer. Kasi we are a school-based group. Ang priority ng school, kasi scholars sila, that they study. No, so in regular season, like during the semester, 1 oras lang kami nakakapag-rehearse. So, ang last quarter intensives nangyayari sa sem break. No, so, mayroong intensives of trainings na kasi follow-up sa summer na tuloy-tuloy, the whole sem break, we do that. Tapos 5 years ago, when we celebrated an anniversary, kasi every 5 years we celebrate different anniversaries in our group, all the milestones, naisip ko na yung LQI gawin ng festival. No? So, it's a festival of choreographies. Pero hindi ko siya, ano kami sabi ko nga sa philosophy, wag yakapin ang mundo. So, it's supposed to be a one-off, isa lang. No? Just for that year na we are celebrating a big celebration. Pero it turned out na sabi ko napakaganda ng programming. There are competitions, there are different shows, presenting new choreography sa mga dancers. Sabi ko, so let's continue it. So pang-anim na namin this year. So even merong pandemya last year, we shifted online, so it still happened last year. No? So this year, hopefully, parang nag-loosen up na ang mga pagbabawal sa pag-gather ng mga tao. So, pero cautious pa rin ako. So it's going to be a blended festival. So merong audience na napapanood siya online katulad nung 2020. Pero meron ding live audience na just in case na meron pa rin tayong restrictions sa social distancing, sa dami ng audience, interaction. So we have to be careful about that. And it's going to be co-presented by, I think, the Cultural Center of the Philippines again.
Alright! Daghang salamat, Sir Bing, sa panahon ng imong gihatag sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Salamat!
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.